In this video, we will go over the answers and explanations to the quiz questions for this section. The first question asks us which type of loop we should use when we know the number of iterations that we need. The answer here is for loop. Remember, you should use a for loop when you know the number of iterations that you need. A while loop is used when we don't know the number of needed iterations. The second question asks us what the code will output. We are given an int variable named x assigned a value of 5. Then comes a switch statement checking the value of x. The first case checks if x is 1. Since it isn't, we move to the next case. X is not 2, so the default statement gets hit. Banana is output to the console, and then the break keyword is hit, exiting the switch statement. So the correct answer here is banana.